Well, anyway, once again, good evening everyone and welcome to the beautiful Casa Lilio by Kamayan sa Palaisdaan. I know that you've been waiting for the celebration and program of Tita Annie Rosales feeling fantastic at 70 people. Anyway, folks, the long wait is over because our queen has finally arrived. But before that, let me introduce myself. I will be your birthday host for tonight's celebration. Your charming host here at Casa Lilio, Jose Marcel Hernandez Ramirez. Everyone to please stand up. Tumayo po tayong lahat because she will be arriving truly fantastic, glittering, shimmering because she is beautiful at 75. Folks, let's welcome our beautiful birthday celebrant for tonight, Miss Anisha Tita Annie S. Rosales. Tita Annie na mukha siyang mayora. Aba, may pasabog ka pa pala, Tita Annie. Ngayon ay mukha ka ng kongresista. Ayan. So you may now take your seat, just relax and seize the moment. And to formally open our celebration for Tita Annie's Fantastic at 75th, we will be hearing one of her child for the welcome remarks to each and everyone. Wando Ron Rosales.
Okay, so we have a lot of things to expect from tonight. Okay, so pero importante nito is we're celebrating a really special moment of my mom.
I've heard it right. We will be just celebrating and enjoying tonight's celebration for Tita Annie's Fantastic at 75th. And speaking of celebration and having fun, before we start the short, sweet program for Tita Annie, gusto muna ni Tita Annie mamigay or magbalik ng biyaya. Today is a very lucky day as we are celebrating Tita Annie's 75th birthday. Ano ba ang kompletong birthday ng ating celebrant? Ayun, yun ang gusto ko. Mukhang confident. Ating pong birthday symbol ay very significant sa ating birthday celebrant for tonight. We will be starting with what we call, according nga kay Sir Ron kanina, it's Tita Annie's debut. So we will be reliving your younger years with our 8 Dancing Roses.
You brought it back for me and held me up.
Ninang, nanay, gusto ko magkaroon siya ng mahaba pang buhay. I wish you all the luck, Tita Annie. I love you.
Music, please!
Happy birthday
of gratitude, appreciation, and thanks to your family, friends, relative, confidant, at sa lahat ng naging bisita mo ngayong araw na ito na iyong kaarawan.
So ever since ni isa sa amin, walang nag-celebrate ng birthday. Di ko akalain ibigay ni Lord na itong pangalawa kong birthday. Binigay lahat ang mga special na tao mahal ko sa buhay.
Malayo sila hanggang ngayon, alas 10 na halos ng gabi na andito pa sila. Yun dahil ay naging mabuti ka at dahil yun ay mahal ka nila. At syempre maraming salamat ka sa Liliw Bay Kamayan sa Palaisdan, Music Station Band, RayStudio.ph at sa ating mga waiters, staff, technical crews, DJs, lights and sounds. Thank you very much. At sa lahat na naging bahagi ng selebrasyon ng 70th birthday ni Tita Annie, thank you very much po sa inyong lahat. Especially for those who stayed until the end of the celebration, you just showed not just the value of time, but also love and respect for Tita Annie. Tita Annie, may God bless you more. Ang gusto ko lang, lagi kang healthy and happy at laging mag-win-win-win. You deserve all the best in life. Keep doing what you love and keep doing what you like. Have a great week ahead, folks. Ingat po kayo lahat pag-uwi. Once again, this has been your charming host, Russell Hernandez Ramirez. I love you. God bless